64% of all preventable confined incidents happen right here, in grain bins just like this one. Grain bin incidents can happen to anyone, even the most experienced farmers and employees. One of the most common types of grain bin incidents is entrapment. When taking grain out of a bin, portions of that grain could lodge, potentially because a crust had formed on the top of that grain, even sticking to the sides of the bin. In order to keep grain flowing, sometimes an operator will need to break up that crust.
But what causes a farmer to get entrapped in a grain structure? The most common occurrence is when a farmer physically enters the grain bin to break up the grain while it's still flowing. As the loose grain continues to flow and the crusted grain breaks away, the grain can potentially fall onto the farmer, or the farmer can fall into the grain itself and become trapped. All it takes is 20 seconds for a farmer to become completely buried within the grain with very little hope for survival. Even a small amount of grain can be dangerous and can cause injury. Remember, grain structures can be unpredictable and dangerous, even for experienced farmers and ranchers. By following safety procedures such as wearing a safety harness and using a lifeline, we can help prevent 100% of all grain bin entrapments and keep our farmers and operations safe.